Today, we are so pleased to offer you upgrade version X500 intelligent automatic vacuum cleaners. We could also vividly call it robot cleaner. Gradually, more and more people begin to pay attention and to accept this body compact robot. In today's fast-paced life, if this cozy comfort is what you are willing to a long time ago, next, let's know how our robot works and enjoy its twinkling charm. Here, we can see X500 robot cleaner with LED touchscreen and voice reminding function, which make cleaning operation simple and convenient. Regardless of whether your house ground laying short-haired carpet, wood flooring, ceramic tile, marble or others, the cleaner can make a thorough cleaning automatically and intelligently. Its suction power reaches 25 watts, and all your daily ground rubbish and dust will be easily into its stomach when cleaning. To emphasize is its special spot cleaning mode. On spot mode, robot can distinguish where it's dirtier on the floor and give a strengthening sweep itself. Look at robot bumper in front of body, which is with infrared detection devices. So you have no need to be afraid of it when it encounters home furnishing and stair steps. You will see it can step back at once itself by its bumper. Meanwhile, it can automatically adjust its suction power when meeting different floor environments. Not only could it make more cleaning more efficient, but also it helps save more power up to 30%. Another, do you want to clean your floor one room by one room or one area by one area sometimes? It's not a problem. The robot Vitural will satisfy your desire after you set it. This is really magical. After work or power off, robot will go back to the charging base automatically to recharge for next task or continue its rest work on the floor. Worth nothing is that you needn't lend a helping hand to it during the whole cleaning process. This is really important to us. Mentioning energy saving and safety, we do not need to worry about anymore. It spends just a kilowatt when the cleaner charges 10 times, but can maintain cleaning 90 minutes. Cleaning noises reduced to 50 dB, which keeps us away from noise troubles. The cleaner itself is made of ABS or theft-proofing material and won't cause fire hazards. Once it has been stuck, you will see language alarm and robot will turn into auto standby function to ensure cleaner safety. What's the composition of X500 robot cleaner? We'll see its anatomy below. After we know its composition, we'll be more interested in its cleaning modes. How does it work? Okay, we'll see it right now. Robot cleaner with 4 cleaning modes. 1. Auto cleaning mode. 2. Spot cleaning mode. 3. Edge cleaning mode. 4. Scheduling mode. So far now, we have had a new understanding of this amazing robot cleaner. How about it? And you cannot wait to buy it, right? Try something new and enjoy a different life right now.